Okay guys, today I want to show you how to know how many devices is connected to your Telegram account and how you can terminate those devices, right? So if your Telegram is not updated, please try as much as you can to update your Telegram. So all I have to do now, I will open Telegram and I will head straight to settings. So once I get to settings, I will scroll to devices. I hope you can see. So it's showing me that 2 devices is connected to this particular Telegram account. So I will tap here and I will see here iPhone 11 Pro, which is the one I am using here, and they are showing me terminate all other devices. Now if I click here now, I will be able to terminate other devices, but I don't want to terminate it because I purposely logged in this Telegram account to my laptop, my system, right? So if for instance I don't know who logged in, or maybe someone is getting my information or something, I can easily terminate this and stay safe. Please do well to check out your Telegram accounts to make sure that nobody is spying or getting your information from the other end, right? Do well to subscribe to this channel and see you on the next one.